Brand: Genuine GM. Part number: 15,914,995. Part description: OEM-glove compartment door latch. Always use genuine GM parts. Position: upper. Genuine GM 15,914,995 OEM-glove compartment door latch quick reference fitment guide. Top reviews from the United States. Saved a ton by DIY. Upper glove box latch in my Chevy truck had been broken for a year. I knew if I took it to a shop for repair it would cost me at least an arm, possibly a leg also. Found DIY instructions for replacement on YouTube, so thought I'd order this and give it a try. Works like new. So glad to have this added storage space back.